Hello friends, I am Rajinder Jatana on this side, coming up with various forms of limits. On this side, these are very important indeterminate forms. These are 7 in number. Now look here. The first indeterminate form is 0 by 0. Second is infinity by infinity. Third is 0 into infinity. Fourth is 1 raised power infinity. Fifth is infinity raised power 0. And sixth is 0 raised power 0. And seventh is infinity minus infinity. Now, these shapes are called indeterminate forms. Indeterminate means we cannot find their values. And how to find the limits of these shapes, we shall be going with various methods. So there are some determinant forms. Look here, these are determinant forms. They are very important. Now, number 1, b over 0. B is any real number, or something over 0 is infinity. Second is 0 by b, it is equal to 0. 0 over something is 0. Then infinity over 0. Now, when it is 0 in the denominator, it is infinity. The answer will be infinity into infinity, that is infinity. 0 over infinity is 0. 0 over very big number. अगर चपाती बॉक्स में 0 चपातीज हैं, मतलब चपाती बॉक्स खाली है और इन्फिनाइट लोग हैं खाने के लिए, सबको क्या मिलेगा? 0 मिलेगा. 0 multiplied with b is 0. 0 into something is 0. Infinity into any number, positive number, it will be infinity. Then infinity into infinity is again infinity. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 plus b is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. b plus infinity. b is a very small number. If plus infinity is added to it, the result will be plus infinity. Infinity minus b, some number, is infinity. b minus infinity is minus infinity. ये छोटा सा नंबर है, उसमें से बहुत बड़ा नंबर घटाएंगे. Infinity is a very big number, but it is not defined. So b minus infinity is minus infinity. 0 plus infinity is infinity. 0 minus infinity, minus infinity. Infinity plus infinity is infinity. And infinity raised to infinity is again infinity. And 0 raised to infinity is 0. Now let us go further. Algebraic limits, they are of 5 types. Factorization method, we will be discussing how to attempt the questions on algebraic limits. So we shall be using factorization method when it is of the shape 0 by 0. Rationalization method when it is of the shape 0 by 0. Standard formulae when it is 0 by 0. Limit x goes to infinity, 1 over x is 0. K over infinity is 0. and limit x goes to infinity fx minus gx. So it will be infinity minus infinity. So we cannot find its value. It is an indeterminate form, but we shall be using the method by which we will be able to solve this. Now let us go with the rationalization method. Rationalization or factorization method. These are two methods. Now first example is limit x goes to 1, x minus 1 over 2x square minus 7x plus 5. अब x की जगह 1 पुट कर दो. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 into 1 square is 2. Minus 7 into 1 is minus 7 plus 5. It becomes a shape 0 by 0. जब भी 0 by 0 बन जाए अंदर से आवाज़ आनी चाहिए, पड़ गया पंगा. ये 0 by 0 बनाने वाला कौन है? इस 1 को लेफ्ट साइड पे ले जाओ. x minus 1 इज द विलेन जो 0 by 0 बना रहा है. नो ये न्यूमरेटर में भी फैक्टर मिलेगा आपको, डिनोमिनेटर में भी फैक्टर मिलेगा. इसको आपने कैंसिल कर देना है. ऊपर x minus 1 तो है, x minus 1 यहाँ भी छुपा हुआ है डिनोमिनेटर में. We will be doing factorization. ये जो विलेन है x minus 1, इसको बाहर निकालेंगे. So x minus 1 will be one of the factors. Other factor will be 2x minus 5. We will be doing factorization. Now x minus 1 will be cancelled up. Limit x goes to 1 over 2x minus 3. Put x equal to 1. It will be 1 over 2 minus 3. That is minus 1 over 3. Similarly, let us take second example. X cube minus x square log x plus log x minus 1 over x square minus 1. X goes to 1. X की जगह 1 लगा दीजिए. 1 cube is 1. Minus 1 square is 1. Log 1 is 0. Log 1 is 0. Minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. These two are cancelled due to log 1 is 0. And in the denominator it is x square minus 1. अब विलेन कौन है? x minus 1 विलेन है. ये न्यूमरेटर पे भी मिलेगा, डिनोमिनेटर पे भी मिलेगा. We are doing the factorization method, and you will find that this can be written as x cube minus 1. X cube minus 1 or log, this will be x plus 1 into x minus 1. If you take log, this thing log x is common, it will be x square minus 1. So x minus 1 is cancelled. यही विलेन था जिसकी वजह से 0 by 0 बन रहा था. Now on substituting we will get 3 by 2. On substituting x equal to 1 we will get 3 by 2 once it is cancelled up. Remaining, put it in the remaining factors, the answer will come 3 by 2. Now let us go to rationalization. Rationalization means जो irrational है उसको rational बना दीजिए. And rationalization we have studied in even 9th class. अगर माइनस वाला है तो आप प्लस वाले से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और उतने से डिवाइड कर देंगे. अगर प्लस वाला है तो माइनस वाले से करेंगे. So that a minus b into a plus b becomes a square minus b square. On squares will cancel the square roots. So on rationalization, what we find, it is 1 over 2 root x. So x goes to 0. Now look here. It is 1 over 2 root x. Now let us go here. X goes to 0. It is p minus x. It is p plus x minus p minus x. They are in the square root. In the denominator they are q plus x and q minus x. They are in the square root. माइनस वाले को प्लस वाले से ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, प्लस नीचे. इसको प्लस वाले से नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, प्लस वाला ऊपर. Now look here, I have rationalized it. it was under root p plus x minus under root p minus x. I have multiplied with p plus x under root plus p minus x. ये माइनस वाला है, इसको प्लस वाले से ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, प्लस नीचे कर दिया. ये नीचे बैठा है क्यू प्लस एक्स माइनस क्यू माइनस एक्स, इसको क्यू प्लस एक्स से ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, क्यू प्लस एक्स प्लस क्यू माइनस एक्स से नीचे कर दो ऑन रैशनलाइजेशन. अब यहाँ पे देखिए विलेन कौन है, x माइनस जीरो, दैट इज x. x कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो इट इज़ 2x. 2x से कैंसिल हो गया. नाउ लेट अस पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इक्वल टू 0. इट विल बी रूट क्यू प्लस रूट क्यू, 2 रूट क्यू, 2 रूट क्यू डिवाइडेड बाई 2 रूट p. 2 will be cancelled up, root q over root p. So this is how we will be doing the factorization and rationalization method. Now let us go further. There is a standard formula. Now limit x goes to a, x raised to power n minus a raised to power n over x minus a. This is equal to n into a raised to power n minus 1. अब यहाँ पे देखिए 3 बार एक्स ए लिखा हुआ है, एक्स ए एक्स ए एक्स ए. आंसर कहाँ छुपा हुआ है, आंसर यहाँ छुपा हुआ है. एन नीचे उतार दो, एक पावर कम कर दो. सो एन ए रेज़ टू पावर एन माइनस 1. हियर इज द आंसर. नाउ लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल. दिस इज ऑफ द शेप 0 by 0. Now let us limit x goes to 2, x raised to 10 minus 1 0 2 4 over x minus 2. Put x equal to 2. It will be 2 raised to 10, which is 1024 minus 1024. It will become 0. When you put x equal to 2 in the denominator, it also becomes 0. 0 by 0 shape is there. Whenever 0 by 0 shape is there, then it is, look here, x goes to 2, x2, x2. 3 बार होना चाहिए, एक लिमिट में होना चाहिए. x goes to 2, फिर x2, x2. इट इज़ ऑफ दिस शेप. ऊपर पावर हैं, नीचे बगैर पावर का है. हाउ मच इज़ द पावर? 10. यहाँ पे आंसर छुपा हुआ है. 10 नीचे उतरेगा, एक पावर कम हो जाएगी. 2 raised to power 10 minus 1, that is 2 raised to power 9. On solving we will get 5120. Now here it is. Question number 2 is there. X goes to 2. X raised to power 3 by 2 minus 27 over x minus 9. Now look here. So it is x goes to 9. Limit x goes to 9. अब देखिए x9 होना चाहिए. It is 27. 27 can be written as 9 raised to power 3 by 2. x9, x minus 9. So 3 बार x minus x9 आ गया. x9, x9, x9. आंसर कहाँ छुपा हुआ है? यहाँ पे 3 by 2 को नीचे उतार दो, एक पावर कम कर दो. 3 by 2 नीचे उतर गया, एक पावर कम हो गई. एंड what we get? 3 by 2, 9 raised to power 1 by 2, that is square root of 9. It will be 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 by 2 is the answer. Let us go to example number 4. Limit x goes to 0. 1 minus x raised to power n minus 1 over x. We want to find its limit. देखिए विलेन कौन है? इस 0 को इधर ले जाओ, x minus 0. इसी की वजह से ये 0 by 0 बन रहा है. तो मीन्स x इज इक्वल टू 0 पुट करिए. यहाँ पे 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 raised to power n is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. X is 0 here. So 0 over 0 shape is there. Now here power is n. Now यहाँ पे आप देखिएगा कि 1 की पावर कितनी होनी चाहिए? n. और यहाँ पे है 1 माइनस एक्स माइनस 1. यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए? 1 माइनस एक्स माइनस 1. 1 ऐड कर दीजिए, 1 माइनस कर दीजिए. तो you will get this and the answer will come. n नीचे उतरेगा, एक पावर कम हो जाएगी, and since answer is negative, it is minus n, 1 raised for n minus 1, 1 raised for anything is 1 only, so minus n into 1 is minus 9. Now this was the standard formula. Standard formula is this: limit x goes to a, x raised for n minus a raised for n over x minus a. Answer is hidden here. n नीचे उतरेगा, एक पावर कम हो जाएगी, and this xa, there should be 3 times. Here it should be powers. So if there is no power, it means there is 1 power. So this is the answer, n a raised for n minus 1. Now let us go further. Exponential form of the limits. We know that e raised for x is, formula is of e raised for x, it is a expansion. It is 1 plus x square over 2 factorial plus x cube over 3 factorial, so on up to infinity. Now limit x goes to 0, e raised for x minus 1 over x. Now put the value of e raised for x, it is given here. Subtract 1, divided by x, 1 will be cancelled up, x will be common, and this x will be cancelled up. So we will get this. Now look here, limit x goes to 0, e raised for x minus 1 over x is 1. यहाँ से देखिए ये 1 इस 1 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, x कॉमन ले लेंगे तो e रेस पर x बन जाएगा, नीचे से x कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So it will be again in the shape of this. So limit x goes to 0, e raised for kx minus 1 over kx will be equal to k. देखिए इसी फार्मूले को यहाँ पे k लगा दिया है, यहाँ k लगा दिया तो आंसर k आ जाएगा. It will be equal to k. No, second is limit x goes to 0, a raised for x minus 1 over x. It is a raised for x can be written as e raised for log a raised for x. E से log कट जाता है, a raised for x minus 1 over x. This is here. So limit x goes to 0, it becomes log a. It becomes log a. So limit x goes to 0, a raised for x minus 1 over x is equal to log a. In this case, it was log e is equal to 1. यहाँ पे log a बनेगा, यहाँ a लिखा है तो log a आएगा आंसर, यहाँ e लिखा है तो log e आएगा, log e is 1. So these are the exponential limits. Now some more examples on exponential series. Now look here. Limit x goes to 0, a raised for x minus 1 minus b raised for x over x. अब the formula is, we have just now done this formula. It is, you know, a raised for x minus 1 over x. And in this case, there is no minus 1. यहाँ पे minus 1 subtract कर दो, यहाँ पे minus 1 subtract कर दो, बीच में minus है, minus will be cancelled. Look here, I have done it here. Limit x goes to 0, 1 इसमें से subtract कर दो, 1 इसमें से subtract कर दो. So minus minus plus 1, this is minus 1, it will be cancelled up. So अब दो क्वेश्चन बन गए, a raised for x minus 1 over x, b raised for x minus 1 over x. So it will be log a minus log b. Log a minus log b, that is log a over b. Similarly here, now there are two questions. One is in the numerator, other is in the denominator. The question is, limit x goes to 0, p raised for x minus q raised for x over r raised for x minus phi raised to x. And the formula is, I told you, there should be 1 minus. The formula is like this, a raised for x minus 1 over x. You have to remember this. Answer is log a in this case. Answer is log a. सिमिलरली 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए, इसमें भी सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए। एक क्वेश्चन ऊपर बन गया, एक क्वेश्चन नीचे बन गया। इट विल बी log p माइनस log q, log p और q बन जाएगा, नीचे log r माइनस log s, log r over s। सो दिस इज देयर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, ab raised to x minus a raised to x minus b raised to x plus 1 over x square. Now look here, we will factorize it into 2 factors. One factor is b raised to x minus 1, other factor is a raised to x minus 1. There is x square, split it into 2x, x here, x here. It will be log b into log a. Similarly, look here, the question is limit x goes to 0, e raised to sin x minus 1 over x. So जो पावर यहाँ पे हो वो नीचे ज़रूर होनी चाहिए। यहाँ पे साइन एक्स नहीं है, साइन एक्स से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, साइन एक्स से डिवाइड कर दो। सो इट विल बी लॉग ई, आंसर ऑफ दिस विल बी लॉग ई। और इसका क्या होगा, एक्स ओवर साइन एक्स, इसका लिमिट 1 होता है। सो इट विल बी 1 into 1, that is 1. So this is what the examples on exponential series were there. So remaining methods I'll be taking up in my next video. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. I hope you must like it. If you like it, please do subscribe it. Good night. Thank you. God bless you.